Welcome back, guys, and today this is Lego Ideas for You if you forgot the channel. But we haven't made any videos for a long time now, so I just want to make another video here. Sorry for the pieces are all scattered. It's supposed to be this piece, and why is it turned over? Okay, yeah, whatever. We'll just start. We changed our themes, which now we're going to Lego City, if you didn't know that. And then, so you first want to start with this piece and this piece, and you're going to put these together. With this piece, and then you just connect them like this, and then you take two doors. Wait, I have to get it on my hand. If you don't have two doors, build two walls, I guess, and then put those. I don't want to. And put the doors aligned with this line thing. So there should be nothing here. Like those two walls and put it like this, that, and then you want to take. Whoa! Sorry for the background noise. It's so annoying. So you want to take this piece and this piece. And if you don't have those pieces, and take one of these pieces. If you don't have, if you have two of these, just use them. But like I don't, so I'm just gonna use those pieces. Those two pieces, and you want to put them like this, like this together. You want to take this piece, and you want to put that and connect them like that. This may be a little hard. And then it should look like this. And then you want to take this cheese slope thing. And then you want to put that in the middle of it. It doesn't matter which side. And you want to put the roof on the door thingy or wall thingies. You can do that side, but not really. And then you want to take this piece, 3 of these pieces, and then you want to just simply put them all across like this. Should look like this, or if you want it like that. And then this one is optional. You can do it if you want to, or you don't have to do it. So you first start off with this piece, this newspaper thing, and this piece. Well, this is optional. You don't have to do this. And then you can just put those like this, and this like that, and then you can have your Lego guys entertained once they wait for the whatever they are waiting for. And then you put that right there. Wait. Right. Okay. That's hard. I mean, I'd rather you first do this. Then, you can take off the roof and always do it. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy.